What's going on, everybody? It's Cole from Goodwill Lights. I got my first pre-sale box in here of LEDs from Holiday Light Express. Go ahead, and I figured I'd do a little unboxing video here, show you what I got. Open it up here. First, we got these boxes of green C9 bulbs here. As I said in my behind the scenes, there's the multicolor I have up on the house is going to get switched to green, so this should be enough to do all the C9 strands that I have to make. I have 7 of those with 25 bulbs in each box, and this is not how it came packaged. I unboxed it, and then as I spill an entire box of bulbs, that's good. This is not how it came packaged, but there you can see more bulbs. But I was unpacking it and then realized I should probably do a quick video to show y'all what I'm getting here, kind of document a little bit. I got everything, okay. And moving on, I actually also got this LED light keeper set to hopefully fix some strands and stop just throwing them away after one goes half out. These are, I believe, 50 count green lights to help just kind of work the ends of the big house strands that I'm going to put green on, which is what we get into here. We have 100 count green M5 lights. I believe, how many of these did I get? One, another 50 count just to tie things together, another 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I got 6. Yeah, 600 counts. These are, I believe, 33 feet long, which is 6 of those won't get me around my house. I probably shouldn't be doing it in the first place. Then we have these, what are these for? White lights. These are for, I'm getting 16 more of the Boscoyo Coro, they call it do Chroma Flakes, excuse me, but I'm getting the ones for mini lights, obviously, since I don't do pixels. So I think I got, let me check here. I know there's white and blue, I just don't know how many I got of each. 1, 2, 3, I think I got 4 white and 12 blue. 1, yeah, 2, 3. And here's the blue strands. Again, the M5 faceted 70 count, because that's what the mini light Boscoyo flakes support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11, 12. And that's the end of that unboxing there. I also got this on sale, one of these 8.5 foot Luxe Santa inflatables from Lowe's. I got it on their, I don't know, I guess clearance sale that they do. I got it for, I think, 30 bucks when it's normally, I think, 159 or 200 or something like that. So here's the first pre-sale unboxing. I think I'm going to end up ordering or doing one more big order once my next paycheck comes through. Got some more exciting stuff planned to go up on the house this year, but this is a good start. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.